Ever looked at your old dining table and thought, did a herd of wild toddlers break dance on this? Don't panic. Don't toss it. Today, we're about to turn that crusty slab of wood into a magazine-worthy masterpiece. Grab a coffee, some grit, and a sense of humor. Let's get into it. Supplies you will need. Sandpaper, 80, 120, 220 grit. Wood stain, color of your choice. Polyurethane sealant. Drop cloth, brushes, gloves. Table. Optional. Wood conditioner, wood stripper. Step 1. Prep the work area. First things first, protect your space. Throw down a drop cloth like you're about to paint the Mona Lisa. Lay out your tools like a DIY ninja. And if the table legs come off, bonus points for not breaking anything. Step 2. Clean the table. Time to clean. Scrub off the mystery gunk. Yes, that sticky stuff from 2009 needs to go. Use warm water, mild soap, and a rag. No need to call a priest yet. Step 3. Strip the finish. Now, if your table is layered in 10 coats of Grandma's orange gloss, use a wood stripper. Brush it on, wait for the bubbles, and scrape it off like you're peeling back decades of poor decisions. Step 4. Sand it smooth. Get your sander out, or hand sand if you're feeling heroic. Start with coarse grit. Move to fine grit and always go with the grain. We're not here to create Art Deco scratch marks. Step 5. Apply wood conditioner. This step is optional but magical. Conditioner helps your stains soak in evenly. Think of it as skincare for your table. Glowy results. No blotchy breakouts. Step 6. Stain or paint. Now for the fun part. Stain it classy or paint it bold. Go rustic walnut, moody black, or beachy blue. Just don't forget to wipe off excess stain unless you're going for the haunted house look. Step 7. Seal the deal. Time to protect your masterpiece. Brush on polyurethane for a durable glassy look, or wax it for a soft matte finish. Either way, your table's getting a spa day. Step 8. Reassemble and reveal. Screw those legs back on. Position it under your best lighting, and voila! You just rescued furniture from a tragic fate and probably saved a few $100. If your table's glowing and your arms are sore, congrats, you did it. Hit that like button if you love a good DIY rescue. Subscribe for more home makeovers on a budget. And remember, your next masterpiece might be hiding under dust and regret. See you in the next video.